Hey folks, this is Gift Mugwidi playing Bangidza. He's one of 3 new artists that we've brought on board at Mbira.Online this year. I'm just letting you know about the updates this month. I've been working super hard. I've put notation packs together for the 3 new artists. We'll have Gift playing in the background there. We've got Simboti playing a number of... he's done 2 videos and I've done loads of notation. Full of loads of useful stuff for you guys. So that's Simboti. Then we've got Josephat Mandaza, 4 cycles from him, and they're compatible with Simboti's from video 1 of Simboti's. And then we've got Gift Mugwidi, loads and loads. I worked really hard on his notation pack, and I think you'll find that one fascinating. Thanks so much for all of your support, everybody. Great to have you all on board, and yeah, keep in touch with your requests. This pack's endless, it's going on and on. Keep in touch with your notation requests, and let's just enjoy a little bit more of Gift before I say goodbye, and yeah, keep in touch. Cheers everybody. Nice one. Some of you will recognise Gift from, it's probably the most popular Mbira video on YouTube, or one of the top 2 or 3, Mbira Masterpiece Live. He's playing on that one, and yeah, we're really lucky to have him on board in the project. Thanks so much everyone.